Hi there. So I just got a Pinebook Pro, which is an awesome ARM based laptop. I just got it delivered today, and unfortunately, it did not boot at all. I could press the power button for 1 second or 10 seconds, and there would make no difference. I just got a black screen. So after some digging, I found out that sometimes the eMMC switch is toggled to the wrong mode for some users when they receive their laptops, which happened to me. So I want to just quickly show you where that is. So if you take off the back of your Pinebook Pro, just be careful with these two speakers that will stick to the back of the casing. And this is the newest version, by the way, with the Manjaro branding. So if you can see here, right here is where it says 64G. And that little switch right next to it, right there. So it was originally down, so I toggled it up, which made it work just fine.